Àròyé TV rèé, ẹ láìkì, ẹ subscribe, kẹ́ sì máa follow.
Òkèláwà téńté.
Jigan, I am sorry. I would have to say this, right? Because I already said it when I went to the police in Abuja. Then I got a call from Jigan, and then Jigan confirmed to me that it did happen, and he was the one that even saved Festus. That I should ask Festus. That he was the one that took Festus, took him to the toilet. Do you understand? Made him vomit everything, you know, and then took him into the car so that he was the one who took it, and he warned Festus never to come there again. That Jigan was the one that confirmed it to me, and that's when I was like, okay, so this actually happened.
Jigan bàbá ọjà. Abaláwo tó ṣàfẹ́ rí fáyán tó tún gbójú sàrìnà kò fẹ́ díẹ̀. Tó inú jìn gan o.
As they insult Davido, no, she does not want to see that. She loves Davido so much. She does not want to be where they are insulting Davido. That's why she left the group. Now why I post group chat? This same woman, I go answer you where make I finish this thing. Everything now I go cast. I just look all of now. Everything now I go cast. Say when we meet, I tell her, say, when we meet, she was so quiet. He told me that the commissioner of police is his boy. I just say, how the mighty are falling. I say, how the mighty are falling. How the mighty are falling. Very dark man say the commissioner of police is his boy, that they all work for him. I said, kukuruku, meh. Now she not do video, they save her life again. Before if she do live, during that time of Mohbad, fake love, she go save her for her page. Now you do live yesterday, you not feel leave her for your page. Leave her now. Leave her for your page. You off comments. You off comments now. You know what made they greet you? Say, good mother, queen mother, show, queen mother. Èyàn tèmi grandma, ma for grandma. Me I know the year word do. No, no just know. Me I know the year. Even I don't know. And me as you see me like this, my skin tickle. You go insult me tire for this word I come. Me not even they send anybody. See all those one that they do. All those one are for other people. My skin, you know what be my skin? Me wake up one morning. Call myself Rattel. You know, go check the meaning of Rattel. This same commissioner of police where she talk so. She said, what was very dark man doing in the room? Madam, Tonto Dike was there. Tonto Dike was there. I just look the thing, I just open my mouth. Police! I said, I make my own video. I start to laugh. Now them cause some of the officers will be Yorubas. They say, okay, now our sister, Ejo, she's going to. Now then beg. Now then beg. That's where they buy food for. Say they give very dark man tea. Say they give very dark man tea. You, they buy you food. Oh my boy. And those people go say, Agbo. Person. Agbo. You see, they give very dark man tea. For the CP office where everybody did, where did they? Oh. Naira Marley, wait, what's be my concern? Naira Marley fought. The time why the ginger and the first time. Say, no, let this woman go. He say, Allah, he don't forgive. Say, I serve Allah. Naira Marley, that one again, the devil will start to talk a story. 2 seconds. I serve Allah. Let God take control. You get one part of the gist if I tell you now, I don't believe. I carry this guy, I carry Naira Marley go outside. After we talk, now I tell her, say, oh, I say, this woman, may they detain her. I say, if they talk, if she still beg you again, you know what you go do? Naira Marley just look me. I say, you go hit the commissioner table. No! If you hit the table, you go stand up, you go say they don't finish your career. They lied on you. That she have no evidence. I say, you go come cry, you go outside. This part of this are not good talking. I say, you go outside. You know what that Naira Marley tell me? He say, no wahala, no wahala. Brothers and sisters, now so we enter. They did the talk. Now Iyabo Ojo say, Ejo. Hey! And then Naira say, no problem. I nearly die for where I sit down. I nearly die where I sit down. After arrangements, after what I tell you for outside, he enter, he say no problem. As he enter, he say no problem, eh? This is what they tell you, eh? See, this is what they tell you, eh? I use my mama to swear. I use my mama to swear. If I dey lie, may God punish me. This is what they tell you, so. I use my mama life to swear, who I hold dearly. Sam Larry, as Sam Larry see say Naira Marley don't agree. Sam Larry no one agree. Me, I didn't want corner like this. At the start, they tell her, say, no agree. This woman no go keep to the end of her agreement. Sam Larry, boss cry. You do it eye like this. Now this same police where she dey talk say that they support very dark man. Now this same police start to dey beg Sam Larry, tell am say make he no worry.
Àròyé TV rèé ẹ like ẹ subscribe kẹ́ sì máa follow.
Òkè la wà téńté.